Hello, this animal has got a long neck. This animal hasn't got food. Has it got a long tail? No, it hasn't. It's a swan. This animal has got a long neck. This animal it hasn't got wings. Has it got an egg? Yes, it has. It's a fox. Has it got long tail? Yes, it has. It's a fox. This animal has got food. This animal hasn't got a beak. Has it got a short neck? Yes, it has. It's a fox.